Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into the word align. Align is a verb that means to arrange in a straight line or to match something with something else. It's a C1 level word, so it's great for learners looking to expand their vocabulary and use more advanced terms in their speech and writing. Let's break it down with some examples and ideas to make it stick. Imagine you're hanging a picture on the wall. You want to make sure the picture is straight, so you might say, I need to align this frame with the edge of the table. Or, if you're working in a team and everyone needs to agree on a goal, you might say, let's align our plans to ensure we're all working toward the same objective. In both cases, align is about making things match or come into agreement. Some useful synonyms for align are line up, adjust, and coordinate. For instance, instead of saying, we need to align the shelves, you could say, we need to line up the shelves. Or, in a workplace context, instead of let's align our priorities, you might say, let's coordinate our priorities. These words can make your speech and writing more varied while keeping the meaning clear. On the other hand, antonyms for align include misalign, disarrange, and diverge. For example, if someone hangs a picture crookedly, you could say, the picture is misaligned. Or, if a team is not working together effectively, you might say, our efforts seem to diverge rather than come together. These words highlight situations where things are not in agreement or straightened. In everyday life, align is incredibly versatile. You might use it at work, saying, our department needs to align with the company's overall strategy. Or, in a personal context, I'm trying to align my daily habits with my long-term goals. It's a word that works equally well in casual and formal conversations. Here are a couple of sentences to show align in action. The solar panels were carefully aligned to capture the maximum amount of sunlight. It's important to align your values with your actions to live authentically. Try thinking of a sentence where you could use align in your own life. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning about align and its many uses. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using align and share it as a comment. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.